into a position here. And let me have an unusual location, please.
Antarctica.
Antarctica, okay. And maybe an unusual occupation?
Plumber.
Plumber. I heard plumber. Plumbers in Antarctica.
Well, here's your problem. Your pipes are frozen.
Again?
What do you mean again? You should be using some sort of antifreeze or that stuff that you use to oh God, your pipes, there's a solid block of ice down here. My feet are encased in ice.
I don't see it.
Oh wait, I broke out of one of them.
Here, what if I help? Would that help?
That would be great. Could you help?
Yeah, I'll just put my face down in here.
Okay. That is good. I'm going to reach down here and see if I can hit this shut-off valve.
I love you, man.
That's nice.
I have been without plumbing for 6 months.
Okay, I've got the shut-off valve if I can only turn it.
Well, I can't. Oh, maybe I can help you. Can I turn it the other way that you're turning it?
I don't know. Okay. So now all we got to do is we got to melt these pipes. Well, not the pipes, but the water inside it.
How could we melt it? How could we melt it?
I don't know.
I just had a horrible idea.
What's your idea?
I've got a flamethrower. You just got back.
Great.
But I can't bear to look. I'll go get it.
Okay, I'll wait here. Okay.
Oh, my feet are asleep. Here it is. I found it. Just right here.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I got it. I got part of it.
Good. You got it?
Yes.
Okay. I can't even look at you. Oh, there you are. Have you ever used a flamethrower before?
Oh no.
Okay. Well, this is very easy.
Okay.
If you've ever used a toaster oven, it's practically the same thing.
Okay. Do I point it toward you or me?
I don't know. I wish I could run.
Well, it's okay.
I'm so scared.
Wait, so,
And you're pointing the flamethrower at me. Why are you doing that? Please don't do that. I have